I'm saying, I'm Badwam Ahosepe Jumedi so well of entertainment. Dear Chegu, dear Fata Unino Sumuno, Jedibi, Esum, Ewo Hasi. Na Kenya, I don't want me at home, Padi, and Kaya Sandra or Heme Ametiwa. That's where you may Nyami Adom entertainment. I may a Ghana for Chimwa.
When you start sending, where do you go? Or your guy? Sister Sunday be a guy.
I'm the guy, scoring 2 times a guy, Ghana's entertainment prophets and Kwadamame. Yasan so abebi em fan somo. Made somo nyame kai will say the darling factor cost to Adom TV so. Kwasi adenwumre me nya daje kwa kwasi adenwumre. Meti hu say ya ni kisamu na zene rekasi edubuadi. Na menya favorite bi girl no ye rapper no. Oh, check it out. The darling factor. And I think that there's a visually impaired guy being so na riafe. Oh, mumi enu me toma mo pa wate. Ti also read the darling factor no. Na ehu favorite na totoma no. Enchani eden Shroma season 8. So be so just say back to back. Enchana dame ba. Enchana makoma ba. Adom TV. Oh, Frank Boom. Yeah, waje ye de. Esansu say ya na me say patcho. Esansu wono na eja. Apology nemu. Was on the 1st of August story yeah. I was once my dear cha. I was almost a story and I baby I could bring it. Germany fan of pay me chiamal is good. Hanover and cram in Saka say there's been attacks on a chamber music because of story bakwa. Jejewa hasi. And we still apologize. Still na your company for chose someone nine. My picture no. And let me clear this real quick. Mami ne ka asem no e fa ne gina asanti mami wonu ene ka lumba asem ti Germany fuyi mesremo she's a nursing mother a chemba nie mo hye na ni mo nso na mo bi anfa ne nsanka na Germany ho mesremo pa ba bi adu ne say enia hey Adom TV akwa akire na enia yan ti Germany Hanover a chemba music nie me pa chow eni die mo hye ne nso mfama me nese madam mama ne nwe ne ho pan yi wonye hwe ono kwa wonye ko fomba social be keka nsem won kan lumba asem de o kan lumba asem ne da yi gina asanti we na nkeka ekodi nkomo no social wate ti me so mo pay attention na mo bi attack mama because Germany is yasi lumba fans money abredi mo ade won kan hwe sister ni we odemo ne te Germany ho we one ne te he ya ne na edi gobe ba ya yachi dokuno waachi way one of the German horror beggar. To watch our idiom. So we still apologize to a chamber music for the mistake that happened here. We are really, really sorry and we revert. Thank you so much. Yantuaso. Mami Moshi in Quabrochi Memo, Mijan Germany, the diaspora for no train me the moed or Adom TV soa. Yet the Jumedia be bar. A man for somewhere cost. I was for bro. Jumedi ne be ning ne pie amwe huno obo ho ni nkrata obo ho immigrant ne ade abusua ne nyina ye de be somo wa Adom TV so na mensaka oni a wo be di jumedi ne ho chiame e wose ne twetwenkom no trade ewom na papa yi e kansem mo ewom time aye be ni ne bibia tie mo hwi ye nkwa abrochi memo. Hi, good morning sir. Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How you doing?
Fine, thank you, sir. Pacho Frank Bim kakana mente menu abeme. Go na ya fa no pay say.
Oh, ma'am, me da so my fa.
Yay! Wait there ice na who ice na say yes. Why you ready so did you make the air break? Yeah, the more your family. But one more show no Pacho any dey mo be introduce so ho in few seconds actually.
Okay, intimidating the Daniel the clue manager me there na age mama lead content producer.
Okay.
Now man pay me that Adom TV for us say mama me akwenye ya partnership. Into the no din my story. My story no share stories of Ghanaians or more in the diaspora. Say you amount for bimu feel say unya tu kwan oba bro church say bibia be okay. Bimu to fee, bimu to properties. But we are going beyond that. And the chairman voice, okay, see, me to quite be. Nsem and sana what take that decision because mean, that decision is a big one. Along the documentary now you're creating, many people in coma said you my regret, some decision that they want to come back to Ghana real bad.
Okay.
The last one I'm shooting and run, which will come out soon. Papa Bia said we have 52 years. And I'm only fee and what about America. America, unfortunately, they're costing and saying, I saw born I didn't call Ghana. Necessary and America. So be sana at the age of 52, I said, Robert Buchawa to be Biabano. I had never not to keep coming back to do. So what we aim to do, and I said, according to the young opinion so baby, now so said, and Tom was king now, and I sent Tom Richard Padilla, name Babuchin and Bebre. And Ushimuso, most of the people on this kind of AS and I am from the GB1 B2 visa, are air visitors visa. However, no business visa does not guarantee say oba obitima be ejuma. But say oba na say obinya working permit and I say green card now the badia it's a nice opportunity. And yes na scanner but na be sra na be hwesa na nyama kwansa na oba. Nti ye ni bi akasa wo Jamaica, ye ni bi akasa wo Canada, ye ni bi akasa wo UK. Ye hope say na me adoma in 2 months na be call Germany so. Nti sana na waka person you go on more share or person share a story. The person can reach out.
Right. That's it. As I say there, wakoye Adom TV, abroche anemu senior as say no nsem na ababua no de abre wa Adom TV. So yeah, let's take a look at this trailer. Yaba me name abeto so. Yaba real stories coming true, real stories. Baby awo abroche memu bia mema me nua be ma de social na toto no you can reach out. Because him say enough from Kofi Kinata na born no nyumo say ko hwe mi kurom wonim de ma edidi na me wonim de wonderful mo na me nua ne ka emu awo snow towo tete oh me nua be ma me trouble social media handles am I obi person reach out bia na onhu hwan ya obetimi ho.
Okay, until we reach out to me personally all social media share Instagram so Mr. Oklu mr.ocloo. Facebook yet take Oklu. With my reach out. However, no, so wait me so I share Judge Media GH. Now I reach out, then the team will get back to you on what is going to happen. Also, no, na me Adoma, Friday be
okay.
You start program now Adom TV 3:30 p.m.
Great. We can't wait. Friday. We can't wait. We are here for the stories and we wish you all the very best. Yes, I'm going to chamre na yehu. Ya baba ya manso na ye nyansan because say the eni aye yehu. Ya da CP Judge Media ya da CP all the very best.
Before I call me person me da se da be ma mo general manager Abdullah Awudu ene PLPC. Oma bo me pa me started to have this conversation somewhere in 2024 January.
Wow.
And
okay.
Along putting the things together and nyama my executive producers are Solomon Arthur, Alodia Promotions, West Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, they've been off because when I'm meeting the UK now, I'm almost so me
okay.
Any BBI, so be our boy, of course, means me will be in Bandu. Be as enough team, so technical team, the Glover Tete. Every time I'm on them, say, oh, young Catty, and yes, say, oh, no boy, meeting will be our boy, maybe I say.
Okay, yes, Yada CP, all the very best to you and the crew there, Yada CP. Thank you so much. Tabusian Friday, 3:30. Now, Yada Shasuwe, no person to choir, now who should be, now who's a mequa, and menqua. There's a more Shapa, Adom TV, such a brain. Oh, Bomma Park, we see a condom. Academia break, you want to such a so, oh, Saboma Blood, Bomma Cobution. Bomma we be kofian to bi kese ai yemi abre na bomma me a me so me bo adwuma no ka se me be kofi kaka ejabusu yanto aso away from abroad remember back to Ghana niema pi na ekoso social no eso na eba ni say na manfa bia nsomo a na mafom kwan abusuya Shatta Wale is in the news again. Shatta Wale is in the news. On say me panyum bi ato na nyum kwa refi ka me Presbyterian him. One say o share sna nyame nso ehye ne ho animonyam because as yaji bibi afri wonsem wahu line no na wenya adekro no back in double folds. That's the story of Shatta Wale. Pa oh na pa na nka wo bom pa na wo bom Imo maka de na SM dada me boa. Abusia car na ye no, you know. Car Lamborghini na ye no. Nyame adom. From the camp of SM and pay me now see actual say I don't pay two. There's a new baby in town. Guess what, people? Lamborghini no, the AJ you know. Nyame adom. Ya told you where him oh boomerade. You see me? Ya told ye two champagne. Can ye jar the champagne? What I say? Ye jar can champagne. It you know, which ye na mo ye de. And I do now. Why can't I tell you? I do. Namo ya, and Nyame adom care for fra beya. A jay ukuri. It's in words, oh my God, oh Goriana. Oh, scared, oh, once a man. Yeah, I should be fashion whom cram when him re. Fashion whom crying. Catch her who said, I can do it. Well, I know. We are any break. When in your monia, a news so bonsem side, Drew, so I guess you have bonsem.
Allez! The next one is going to be a Rolls Royce.
Oscar. Can't cry any kind of color. Aye. What you see a free port too bad because her some flex. Alright, guys, now port I didn't young rock. You're the Benham crewman now could see 3 o'clock. Oh, Bomano. We are happy for you. Congratulations to the SM King, Charles Niyama, aka Shatta Wale. My friend Shatta Wale. SM4 week way modia munye dede. Week days for the SM guys. Munye dede. What's it? I was on my face. My man wishing me sweet girl. Mame Boatema, a very happy birthday. That's my baby girl. That's my fruit. You know what I'm saying? Mame Boatema, my first handiwork. Ente OPD ba. Me do mo to so sa. Talent here discover say ya. Picture mami boat. Mami US first lady. Also me no neti kroma. Picture name mami first lady vibes near the happy birthday from all of us here. You are a sweet soul. We love you. We are happy about your growth. And we pray. Saying I'm new free Adom kwadu. That prayer I gave many years. I'm saying I'm manya kese kwan sister Sandy. On my own costume bebre. Ebanisa near we are very proud. And you know the new program over Makoma. You don't want to miss it. Stick and stay with us. Happy birthday, mon chadie. Oh, yes, happy birthday, sir. I'm more sending momo. Oh, no more chadie. Me over taxing sister Penny. We share me sister Penny. And then birthday me away, mammy. Happy birthday, Nyame Sha, Mrs. Asan. Much love going out to you. And I'm moon painting officer. I'm moon painting. Pizza is on me. Have fun, baby girl. Have fun. I want some. Hey, and to us, CEO of Cambridge International, Mr. Kwame Ahenkwa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir. Nyame ensure we pa wadwuma pa wa ho brasie niema wo jema my Ghana enkanka Cambridge fo nyina se omochelo him treatment center Dr. Bednagu was a very good one. Happy birthday, Mr. Ahenkwa. Oni abusuani nyina no peye chia. Happy birthday. Abusuami di sia Esther Ann e makeup department onu ni chi manim e de ma me oba studio Master Thomas Festus Oletese. Omi me cinematographers MC post production. Madam Munina Master Frank, a sound engineer, or so eta mechi. Na cold room honomoa. Mr. McWeber, my food ye mu again, Nipa bi na ye din ampa once him say ade. McWeber, or am a director, Santia Chemago this year, Jeffrey Ponana, and no. Oh, PD, me producer, no ya ye fibi, ya wajini p. Kranako Bokon Ru, oh, YFP, Richmond Territory, Thomas. Madam Munina must say. Thank you all stations. I'm the guys Queen. We will be back on Friday. Till then, bye for now.